All right, so we're starting a video series on soccer formations, positioning, and so just some basics. Since we're not having our Bridges soccer team or soccer unit at school, I thought we'd go over just a few items here. If you take a look at the screen, we've got our basic soccer formation that we use. You see, I've got a clone troop team and then a droid team. And the droid team is starting off with the ball right here. Now, I'd recommend that you go to the game and activity section of our Google Classroom, and you will find the soccer formation article in there. And that deals with, I think, about 8 or 9 different soccer formations that some coaches choose to play. So that'd be a nice read before you start this series here. Now, like I said, this is just our formation that we choose because it is basic, easy to learn, it's good for beginners, and it is also effective. If you take a look in the article, of that soccer formation article I was just referring to, they do their counting from the defense forward. I do mine from offense going back. So I call this my 4-3-3 formation, where I have 4 on the front line, 3 midfielders, or we call them halfbacks, and then 3 defenders, which we call fullbacks. So take a look at the back 3 clones or the back 3 droids by the goalie. That's our defense. That's left, middle, and right fullback. Going up to the middle, that's the left, center, and right halfback. And then the front line, you have the wings on the left and right side, and your center forwards. Now, your coach might use different terminology, and that's okay. This is just what we're going to use for the purpose of these videos. Now, when you're spaced apart on the field, now remember, you're not going to just be in one place all the time. It's a free-flowing game. You want to try to keep a general position, but you're not going to be a statue and staying in one place. Okay, so for your midfielder, for example, you'll be going back and playing defense and be going up and playing offense. If you're defense, you're not going to just stay by your goalie. You're going to be going anywhere from the goalie box up to half field. And if you're on the front line, if you're a striker, you're trying to score, you're going to be more on the other team side of the field most of the time. Okay, so that's your basic general position. That's the name of your different player positions on the field. And in the next few videos, we're going to go over some strategy, some spacing, where to set up for corner kicks, some ideas for starting off the ball at the beginning of the game at halftime. And should be pretty interesting. So we will catch you guys next time.